our live. Our live will be held twice a week. So every Tuesday and Thursday afternoon at 4 p.m. West American time. And Chinese time will be Wednesday and Friday in the morning. Okay, so welcome all of you to come to our live. So how's today going? Everything goes fine? Hope everything will be fine and be a happy day every day. Okay, so for the new audience, and you may know nothing about us, and here I'd like to introduce you a little bit. This is Ningbo Haishu Colorido, and we are the company that have been focused on the researching and manufacturing the seamless digital printer for over 10 years. And in these 10 years, our designs, the printer are mainly focused on printing for the tubular items, such as the socks, sleeve covers, and buff scarves, and also some yoga wear. Yeah, the seamless yoga wear. So anything in the knitting tubular items, and then with the blank one, you can just fit it for our printer, like this one. So with the roller and with the sock. Sock is a kind of the knitted tubular items with the seamless. So just put this sock to the roller and you can just print the sock with any design you like. So not only the choice of the jacquard socks, but also the printed socks with any design, with any innovation idea. Just come true by what? By using our seamless digital printer. Yeah, so in the recent 10 years, we have been researching and developing the upgrade printer, and also we're committed to enhance the capability for the software. Recently, we just launched the 2 upgraded software. One of it is the POD, support the POD file. So we call it AutoPrint. And the other software is the positioning, the camera positioning system. Yeah, use the camera to capture the image first and then scan the shape of the colored part, but skip over during printing for this colored part. So this is what we do, and this is who we are. We are the team here, not only selling the machine, not only making the machine, but also we are here give you the full supply of the service with the maintenance, with the after-sales service, with all these kind of different variety of the printing solutions. Yes, so the whole train, a supply train of you during your seamless digital printer, we offer you the service from the printer. Start from the printer and give you the installation, training, and offer you the printing solution and keep your maintenance of your printer and after-sales service included as well for the whole longevity of the printer. So we are here to support you. And what you need to do is just get the printer and start your business. Yeah. Okay, so here, just now what you see already, that the socks, sleeve covers, and yeah, and of course, the socks actually, here you see 2 of them, and one is for the polyester, the other is the cotton. So it means that it is suitable for printing not only polyester, but cotton. And this sleeve cover, this is the nylon. Yeah. Hi, welcome the new audience. Hello, everyone. I see Carly. Oh. Okay. Hi, nice to meeting you all. Yeah, so except these, what you saw just now, the socks and the sleeve covers, and our printer have different model. So with different model of the printer, you could have the alternative option for the more various of the applications. Like what I hold here, this is the barf scarf. Yeah, it is the barf scarf. So this is also printed by using our printer. And here, also the seamless yoga shorts. Yeah, this is also printed by our printer. So any tubular items. And here, I'd like to show you that just now we mentioned that we are manufacturing the seamless digital printer. And also we are researching. We have been researched and developing the upgraded printer. So what you see here, this is the third generation already for this seamless digital printer. And with the third generation of the printer, it is still the two heads, and it is still with the printing mode of the spiral printing. But here you see it is 4 rollers upgraded from the single roller, just improved directly with the 4 rollers. And it improved the efficiency of the production a lot. It is a lot. And also we upgraded for the printing mode of the workload for the operator. So previously with the first generation and second generation of the printer, it is with single roller. And the operator has a lot of workload to do to get the preparation before printing. And here, we just decreased the workload already. So what the operator needs to do is just standing here and upload and offload the items. For this one, it is for printing the sock. So you see, and what the operator needs to do is just standing here and upload this sock and offload the sock later. So this is what she needs to do, or he needs to do, of the operator during the printing job. But so this one, the production efficiency improved a lot. Well, previously, here, yes, follow me. Here, this one is what I talked about, the second generation of the printer. It is good. It is still convenient for using, but it is mainly for the small orders, and also it is for POD order. You still could choose it, because here you see this is the long roller, and here you see I wrapped 2 pieces of the paper at each side. So it means that during printing, it will print with 2 pieces of the sock all together at one time. So it means that 1 pair of the sock will be printed during one-time printing. Yeah, this is the good advantage for this one. But disadvantage for this one is that the operator needs to get preparation for this roller first. So I got this roller to wrap this paper and upload this sock at one side. Then I need to turn the other side around and do this preparation again. So that is already 4 steps of the workload for the operator to do the preparation before printing. And the 5th step is that load up this roller to this machine, and get preparation for this roller to set up to the machine. And once it's set up the machine, then here you see we have multiple quantity for this laser. We have this laser setting. So this laser assists me to get the proper position of the sock which I load up to the roller before. So that also costs time. Yeah, and it costs time, it costs the energy, right? So it means that this operator who is running with this machine, he or she needs a lot of preparation work to do before start printing. That is the workload. So workload for the operator is a lot. Yeah, and that's why we were considering if we could just get one upgraded printer with easy working and to reduce this kind of workload, then we have this one. So $4, we have this one. Yeah, with the $4. And you could see here is the center motor drive. It is standing in the between of this whole machine, right? Yeah, so this center drive motor, it is standing here to drive these $4 rotate itself. So the operator has nothing to do with this roller rotating. No need to do. That kind of the workload was relieved from the operator to this center motor drive. And that's why the workload released a lot. So the rollers just fixed. The rollers are just fixed to the machine. And what the operator needs to do is that here, once this paper is stained with full of the ink, it needs to be thrown away. And then we get a new piece of paper. Yeah, we get a new pieces of paper and wrap to the roller. So if anyone knows why it needs to wrap with the paper, if anyone knows, yeah, you see this roller, it do get some ink stained on the roller, right? On the metal material of this roller. So first we need to wrap this paper to protect the roller of the metal material not to be stained with the colored ink. Yeah, to leave it neat and clean. That is one of the functions for this paper. And the other one is after you wrap the paper and later, once you wanted to pull out the sock, it will be easy. It will be easy, yes. It will be a little bit smoother. But I need to fix this paper. Here, I just tape it. Yep. Okay, so one of the roller is setting up. That is what I need to do here. So later, I will show you how the operator needs to work with this printer. It will be much easy. Just upload the sock, offload the sock, and then one job is done. Then we can continue with the next one. So with this upgraded, the third generation of the printer, it is upgraded with the easy work and high efficiency of production and the continuously working. So if the operator just can catch up with the speed of the printer's printing speed, and then no need to stop the machine during the printing job. Hi, Akram. Hi, hello. Happy to see you. Yes, I'm doing good. And you? Everything is fine? Hope you are well. Yeah, happy to see you again in our live broadcast. So any idea to get this printer? Are you ready? And I'm ready to offer you everything. So you're welcome. You're more than welcome. Okay, welcome to our live again. Okay, so what you are seeing now is our third generation of the printer. Yeah, what's the program you print? And we okay. So with our printer and the artwork for the artwork adjustments, the software we use the Photoshop. It's just easy, Photoshop. And in the Photoshop, and you can just move a little bit of your printing artwork elements to the proper position. And after that, you just adjust the proper measurement. Yeah. So it means that, for example, yeah, here you see, I'd like to introduce you with my cat, Caramel. Yeah, her name is Caramel. So for example, this is the printed sock already. And you see that Caramel's the face is hidden. It's hidden by the heel part, right? So once you wanted to make the artwork and you wanted to adjust and ensure that Caramel's cat, the face, will not be hidden by this heel part. And then in the artwork, you need to move a little bit up position from the artwork. Yeah, so you have to, for example, first, before, excuse me, I'd like to get a pair of gloves. And for me to easy operation. Okay, so let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. So first, before you start create your proper artwork, you need to load up the sock which you are using for the printing. Okay, for this sock, it will be long. And you need to be sure that once the sock is loaded up to the roller, it needs to be everywhere flat. So you see, the whole turn will be flat, cannot be somewhere standing out. Now, especially at this heel part. Okay, and now you see this cat, the face is hidden by this heel part, right? So you need to mirror. You need to mirror this heel part measurements from the top and from top to this top of the heel and from the opening to the end to the bottom of the heel. So with these measurements, and then ensure later the artwork position of this cat will avoid of these measurements. And then you will print with the proper position then. Yeah. So you use the Photoshop. So first, mirror the sock with the lens, and then get the proper printing elements to the proper position in the artwork. Okay, that is the first needs to do. And then here, you can see here, this Print EXP is our printing software. So this is the software of the printing software. So this is what we need to do with the software of the adjustment for the artwork and also the printing software. Yeah. Okay, so with our machine, actually it is no matter the quality, no matter the material it is, or it is polyester, like what I'm holding in my hands, or it is cotton, yeah, or it is nylon. But with different material, we will use different solution and use different ink. Like the polyester, it is the most easiest one. So polyester, we use sublimation ink. And with sublimation ink, we just need to print and then heating. Then the whole process will be done. That's it. Yes, polyester is just simple as that. It's just 2 steps. Just printing, then heating. Whole process will be completed. Yeah. And then if you wanted to do the cotton, and we use different ink first, we use the reactive ink. With reactive ink, just for printing, it is printing. And printing is just one of the steps, one of the process. And before printing, it still needs pre-treatment, like soaking, spin drying, and drying it. And after that, you need to print. Then go to print. And after printing, then cotton material needs the finishing process, which is heating, requested, and steaming, requested. And after steaming, you need to dry the sock again. So heating it again. And after all these are finished, then you need to go for washing mill for the washing process. So during the washing finishing, everything will be done during the washing. So color fastness will be fixed. And also the softener will be added with the soft hand feel if you need it. And after washing process is completed, then the whole process for the cotton will be completed. Yes, so that is the difference from the polyester sock printing from the cotton sock printing, which the process is different. The ink is different. Yeah, hope that my explanation will be a little bit helpful for you. So if you have any question, you can just leave me the question in the comment area, and during the live broadcast, we will try our best to reply all the questions there. Yeah, welcome all the audience and the new friends and the old friends coming to watch our live. Yeah, welcome all of you. Yeah, so any question here, you can just let me know. Any question? Okay, if no question, I'm going to continue, with the introduction, okay? Yeah, okay, so what I'm standing here is our work mill. Yeah, you can see that behind me, it has 2 machines, and in front of me here, it is also laying some machines there. So in the whole work mill, actually we have several machines, and they will stay here all the time. So these machines will be stayed here all the time. Why we need to do that? Yeah, for the new audience just coming to our live may not know who you are, what you do. So I'd like to repeat again who we are and what we do and why we do this. Yeah, so we are the Ningbo Haishu Colorido Digital Technology Company located in Ningbo near Shanghai, around 2 hours away. And Ningbo is a quite peaceful and beautiful city in the east of China. Yeah, so we have been here for over 10 years. Our company was established at 2015. And during these 10 years, we have been focused on the researching and manufacturing the seamless digital printer. So for different model of the printer, what we designed are mainly for the printing for the seamless tubular items. Yeah, the knitted tubular items like the sock, the sleeve cover, and the beanies. Yeah, the knitting beanies and the bath scarves, and some seamless yoga, the yoga wear, the yoga bra top and yoga leggings. So all these kind of the seamless digital, the seamless tubular items and are suitable for our printer to print. So with various applications, we use different model of the printer. Yeah, this is who we are. Hi, Akram. Thank you for your question. Yeah, we have spicy food. Yeah, for sure. And every flavor actually. So Ningbo actually is near the sea, near the ocean. So here the Ningbo flavor is a little bit just quite simple, and taste a little bit not so much spicy, but like normal. Yeah, but seafood here has really the good taste. So you should come to Ningbo and have a try the seafood here. Yeah, and then my hometown is in the middle of the China, so there has lots of spicy food. There, spicy flavor. Okay, come back to Colorido, who we are, and we have been already here for this seamless digital printer business for over 10 years. Yeah, in these 10 years, we have been researching this kind of upgraded machine with the upgraded technology. So the different requests and different printers we can offer you. Yeah, and this is who we are. And what we do, we are making the printers. We are making these printers. So also during the development, and we are committed to enhance the capability for the software. And you see that here, what we use is the laser positioning system. This is the normal one. But recently, we just launched with the camera one. Yeah, with the camera here will be set up. And then with the camera, it will just skip over, because the camera can take the image first, take the picture and capture this shape first. And after it is scanned and inputs this data to the computer, and during printing, this scanned colored part will be skipped, and only to print with the white color. So at the joining of this black hue and this white part of the sock, then during printing with the camera system, it will be start from this just the edge of the black and white, and print at the edge of this hue of the black color again. It will skip over, and this part will not be printed, and skip over to here. Yeah, so this is what the camera position system works. And also, we launched the auto print with the supports the POD file. Yeah, so all these are what we do for this seamless digital printer. We are keep researching and developing and try to upgrade both the printer and the software. Yeah, for more convenient using during the operation and for meet up all the requests for the customers with different requirements during the production. Yeah, so this is what we do. And also, we offer the after-sales service. So don't worry that once you get our printer, and if someone could support for the issues once it occurred, of course, we will be here. So now you see that it is early morning of the China, and we will be here. And if you get appointment with us, even at your noontime, here is still the midnight time, and we could be here, and we will be 24 hours available for you if you need us. Yeah. So this is the brief introduction for our company. So maybe for the new audience who just coming to our live and has no idea who we are, what we do, and here is the introduction for the brief idea. Okay, so with this one, you see with this one, we are trying to show you how this printer works. Okay, so just now what you already know from me about the different material of the sock will have different process, right? Yeah. So how this printer works, I will show you. 你记得给 Tommy 那个哦。So just turn on it, and after self-checking, it will rotate. Yeah. Okay. And then I need to before printing, we need to check out the head status. And with this paper, we need to throw it away. So what you need to do for printing is to ensure that this paper needs to be wrapped to the roller. For every single roller, it needs to wrap this paper. And also, once you wrap it, you need to pay more attention with the tension. So cannot be so loose, cannot be so tight, just suitable. And then we need to fix it. So use this tape to fasten the paper a bit. Yeah, okay, one is done. And here, use this screen touch. And then we, yeah, you see, with that screen touch device, I just control the machine, control the roller to rotate. And I will get rid of this one and replace the new one. So each of the single roller needs to be wrapped with this paper. So once you found it's loose, now you see, it could not be so loose like this one, like this. No, it's not workable. No, that is a no. So you need to get very careful for the tension of this paper once you wrap it. The whole body of this roller needs to be wrapped with the paper, but it could not be so tight and also cannot be too loose, okay? So ensure each part of this roller, it will be fastened and wrapped properly with this paper. And after you wrap it, you just use the tape to assist you to fasten the paper and ensure during printing it will not move. Yeah, okay. And one of this paper we need to replace again before we start, okay? So before printing, you need to get this kind of a preparation job. This one is not with the tape. Okay, we need to change another one. Thank you. Okay. So wrap it. And fasten it. So this is what you need to do before you start your printing job. Okay, and now it's ready. So once you get this machine, and before you start, you get the preparation for these 4 rollers and wrap with the paper. And after that, what you need to do is just start with the software. But before you start your printing job, actual printing job, what you need to do is to check with the print head status. So here we need to check out. Yeah, and it will start. This is the printing position setting. Okay, and then we print. And let the print head spray the ink to the roller, to the paper. And from the paper, we can check out if the print head status is good or not. And now it's done. So let's see how the print head status it is. 这是串色了。Now you see here this black. So total CMYK. And CMYK, and here the K, the head status is not good enough. So what we need to do is to clean. So here, just by controlling the software, and here you see the ink is flowing. And now it's under cleaning automatically. It's under cleaning. 这个没墨吗? So you see here 4 pipes. It is CMYK. So this one you see it's no ink flowed. So it means somewhere it went wrong and the head status is not good enough. That is the reason. And now cleaning is done. And we need to check if the status is good or not. 抽下来了，抽下来了。没。And now we check it again. So we still use the same roller. So on the same roller, we can compare. So we will print the same head status on same roller, just different position. And now it's better, but not good enough. 之前是这个. So previously it's this one, and now it's coming like this. So it is, it is a little bit improved. So with this one, we could try. And we try one, okay? Okay, we just try one. And load up the sock. So this is what you need to do. And here, because I already know from the last day of the printing job that here is the proper position. So I need to pull out, I need to upload the sock. I need to upload the sock with the opening at this end. So here will be my center heel part. So I need to adjust it a little bit and ensure the gouge, the knitting gouge of the sock will be straight. Once it's not, I need to adjust it a bit. Yes. So that's after this adjustment. After that, you will get the printing image on the proper position and it will not slanting. Okay. Here. 哪个文件？这个吧。So here we just try with this printing job. And now I just rotate by the screen touch device and get the proper roller to here, and I just click. Easy. Print. Then it will start. Let's see how fast it could print. So the first piece will be a little bit, need quite a time to calculate inside of the computer. Now start. So 19 seconds. And after printing, it will just rotate itself. And now you see all the ideas. What you can think about the ideas, it just could print as the reality. So it is coming to your sock. So here, we are here to introduce you Colorido. And also, Colorido is doing this seamless digital printer manufacturing. And here is all about keywords of this printer. Yeah, so just get your innovation idea and print. So after printing, I need to pull out. Yeah, just during your pull out of the sock, you need to be very careful and cannot be this big strands. So ensure that during the pull out process, this sock could not be bounced back. Otherwise, this ink will be flied. So slightly get back of this paper and pull out this sock. So here you go. This is what I just print out. Yeah. So now the printing process is completed. It's finished. It's just simple. Just one click and then print as the sample you'd like. So here I just printed with the cotton one. So I need to hang it here for later the next process. Okay, so this is what we need to do. We're Colorido 的 We're trying the Colorido sock. 然后昨天瑞的那个图在哪里 So here we need to get the proper file. Let's try it again. And I will show you how it prints. Get the proper file and then upload it to the printing software. Okay, now this is the file we are going to print. So let's see how the print needs to be done. Okay, so with the new artwork, and before I print, I need to be sure it will be in the proper position. So what needs to be done? Yes, to print on this paper first, and then use this laser, and then assist me to get the proper position. So here, what I'm going to do next is to print this image to the roller, which I already put the paper on. So we will see. So we will teach you and we will train you once you get the printer from us, and we will let you know how the steps will be and how to proceed step by step. So you really don't worry. You see how fast it is? Just a few seconds. 18, 19 seconds, and then the whole image will be done. Completely printed. And now it's done. Okay, it will rotate itself. Yeah. Here. Here is the position. 是黑的还是这个？ Yeah, you see, here should be the proper position. Yeah, okay. And here is also a line. Yeah, so here will be the start of the print. So here is the printing start position, and here is the ending. Here is the ending. Okay, and now we adjust this laser to assist me, and then get rid of this one. Yep, get a new one. Yeah, let's do it.贴纸呢？美纹胶带。Yeah, remember that after you tape it, you wrap it and use the tape. Okay, and now with the proper sock which you are using to print, and then upload it. Yeah, here. Okay, so ensure that the white part will be fully printed. And also here needs to be flat. The heel part, especially the heel part, cannot be any angle standing there. And here is the start printing position. And then you need to turn the whole round and then adjust it according to the laser line to assist you. Now you see here, this is the printing start position, but here is the white color, so it's not okay. So what you need to do, you need to adjust. Yeah, so here will be the proper position then. Then ensure the whole round will be adjusted well. Yep. So you need to adjust. Yeah, the whole round will be fine. Yep. Okay. And then get back to the center back. This is the start point. Okay, so ensure the gouge will be straight. Now you see the gouge. Can you see that? The gouge. And start from here. It will be go straight till, yeah, here a little bit slanting. So just twist it a little bit. Yeah, get it straight. Okay, back to, okay, and here one piece is set up. And turn it. Okay, I will get the second one. Get the second one load up. And ensure the gouge will be proper aligned. Yep, and then turn it and check it out if it is proper. Okay, so ensure here the heel part will be stretched a bit and ensure it will be flat. Otherwise, it will scratch the hat. Yeah, we get the proper sock, not the available one. So ensure every setup will be good. So the whole round will be set it properly. Yeah, ensure it will be set properly. Yeah, after you're sure about it, then start could be print. Then the print could be started. Okay, and then I will turn. Okay, so now with this load up sock, it's ready one, and we could start print. And now print starts. During this print time, I need to set up the new one. So that's really a challenge for me. Indeed, it will challenge for every single operator. And that means the setting needs to be done. Yeah, during this, few seconds. And now I'm done. Okay, so here it is. And then we try with this one. Now the new one starts. You see here. I need to put it out. Okay, so this one is done. And now the new one is done. You see how fast it is, right? You see also here, you could see the image quality. So you could see the image quality actually, even the small word, you see here, very tiny small one, it still could be visible, right? Once you put it at the end, will be very careful. Yeah, cannot be bounced back. Then continuously printing. Yep, another one is done. So you see how it works, right? So easy, right? You see. And I need to load up the new one. And now with the new artwork, we load up with the new one and start print. Wow, nice flower. You see, it is very famous painting. Now you see. Yeah, you see how the color is, right? So even multiple color and different layer, and it still could be just shown. Now you see how tiny details you could see from this. So today I'm here to show you how the printer works and what's the steps it needs to be with this printer, actual printing. Okay, this setting is done, and we can go for continuously working. Otherwise, I need to chase the printer. 你给他搞了吗 ，Tommy？ 他没回我啊。你追着，我顾不上你。然后制胜的迪伦。6只还是8只，差不多就那么多。A new one is done. Let's check out. Not bad. So do you think that is easy or is difficult? Let me know. Yep. Okay, this is my first setting. I think it could be okay. And let's check out the whole round and see if that is just one-time setting, it will be fine. Here, I could not just leave it here too much to cover this letter. So here will be the whole round will be fine. Yeah, I think it will be fine. And here. Okay, then setting is done. Yeah, let's do it. So always with the new artwork and with the first piece, it will just spend a little bit time to calculate. So that's why you need to wait a little bit. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, you see, you even can see the lips, the color, and also the hairstyles, right? You see this hat, you can see several layers, right? And also the color shade, the different layer of the shade. And also the hat has a flower. So you could see all these kind of details, right? The eyelashes, the eyebrow, yeah, and the very nice nose, the shape of the nose, and also the makeup for this nice lady. It's really like a lady standing just beside you. And not the sock, right? Yeah, so here, just ensure that during the line you set it up with the laser and ensure that in this area must be the white color and it needs to be printed later. Yeah. Okay, setting this down. It will be continuously printing without any stop. What's the stop? It might be, it is the operator. Operator cannot catch up the speed for the printing speed. And that's why you need to pause. You need to pause the printer and waiting for the operator for loading up, for offload, and for the adjustment. So just now the printer waited me a little bit for me to set its a new sock. And now it is done again. You see? Is that nice? So actually this output for this printer, it could reach like over 50 to 86 pairs per hour. Just you need to be sure that the operator is very familiar with your printer and with every process and with the artwork and the setup and the position for this sock. So he needs to remember every small details of which part will be printed and which part is not, And during her process or his process of setting up the sock, and he could be just immediately get the proper position of the sock, and then process is done, just waiting for print. And then under this circumstance, he or she can catch up the speed of that printing from the printer with just 20 seconds. So during 20 seconds, what he or she needs to do is that just pull out this sock and get up a new one to be done with setting up. Yeah, that is the circumstance that without any stop to continuously printing and to continuously loading up and offload to be sure that this could be done. And then the output will be reaching to over 55 to 86 pairs per hour. Yeah, I mean per hour. And now it's the time for the printer to calculate. And now start print. Wow, what is this? Let's see. Wow, it is all these kind of different flavor of the food. So if anyone know where the food it is, it represents what country of the food it is. If anyone knows? Yeah, actually it is a kind of noodle, I see, and some meat, pork. Yeah, someone might already guessed. It is the Vietnam. You see. That is the Vietnam flavor. If anyone like the Vietnam food, I can let it print, and during this time, I can just do some. 我这里可以踩吗？ So this is the cotton sock printing process. It is only the printing one. So Printing is just one of the steps. Just stand in the middle, actually. And for this cotton sock, actually, it has to do a lot of steps needs to be done. But believe me, this process, it's worth for you to wait. It deserves, yeah, it really deserves for you to just follow this one and get final image. You will say, wow, what an amazing job it is done. Yep. Yeah, another famous painting. And UAP actually is our agent. It's a Japanese company. And yeah, for all these Asia markets, they are in charge. So if any necessary or your requirements you need them, and just contact with them. And for other markets, and we are in charge. Now you see. So with the already printed one, after one piece is done, and then the other rest of the quantity can be very fast to be one by one continued. Okay. Then with this cotton sock, so after printing, you need this kind of a hook, and with this track to hang this one. And waiting for the next step. Yeah, during its printing, I am adjusting this one. Okay, the last image. So loading up and adjustment.你记得还有两双要补的啊。没有袜子了。啊？那每一个款都齐吗？还是有少的？
其他都齐了呀，这两款嘛，这个21，然后这个41。
现在我知道，这是刚刚好的。
对。
那都是按照这个数字来的，等于是。就这两个是按照这个数字，其他的都是按后面的数字，对吧？可以吧？就 OK 了。Yeah, the last one. And then the printing job is finished. Good job today. I printed. You see? Yeah, these are the printed socks for the cotton one. And now they're for the next step. So later, this one will be sent to the oven. So let me show you. So after this cotton sock is completely for the printing, and what the next step is needs to be done. Let me show you. Okay, so here is another workmill, another workshop, and this big one, very big one. So guess what is it? Yes, it is the heating oven. So you see the big volume, right? Yeah, so later the printed sock, what I already printed just now, will be sent to here and into this oven for heating. Yeah, so heating will be the next step. And after heating, it will be sent to this steamer. So here is the steamer. It will be steaming later after heating it up, after it's dried. And then it will be sent to this steamer. And this steamer inside is the same volume as what we saw just now for that, the oven. Yes. So after steaming for around 20-22 minutes, and it will be sent back to the oven again for drying it. And after drying, the socks will be stored here in the box. So this is the finished sock. This is already finished for all these kind of process. It is dried, and color also is pump out. And later, this sock needs to be sent to the washing mill for washing finishing. And after washing, it will be completed for the whole process. Yeah. Okay. So what you just now saw, what I was doing, it was the cotton sock printing process. And we showed you how it should be printed. And also we showed you after printing what process it involved. So it needs to be go inside to the oven for drying it, and then go back to the steamer for steaming, and go back to the oven for drying again. Yeah, so before washing process, you need 3 steps needs to do. Okay, here what you see. Here what you see is the second generation of the printer. And from the first generation and second generation, actually from the outlook, it was the same. It was the same. And also the tube, this roller, it's also the same. Just the printing mode is different. So the first generation of the printer, it is flat scanning printing mode, and now it is a spiral. It is a spiral printing mode. So that is the difference. And you see, it's also, its printing speed is quite okay. It's just from one end to the other. And the whole process will be done for this printing. And for 2 pieces, 1 pair will be done. And what you need to do is that hold it, and release it. Release it and get it to the holder. And this operator needs to set it up a new roller. Yeah, and after it's setting, so adjustment it just happened after setting. After setting it to the machine, and then get the proper position with the small adjustment. Yeah, so that is what you see from different model of the printer. It's suitable for what different the applications. And if you have the bigger one, the bath scarves and the yoga suits like the leggings, and then you just use another model with the bigger cylinder, with the bigger roller. Yeah, so like the roller, I showed you like the roller here. Yeah, this roller, this is big one, very big one, and this is also big. Yeah, so with these different applications, what you want to print on, and then get the proper printer. Yeah, so what you see just now, what you saw just now here are the cotton socks. Yeah, here are the cotton socks. You see that before the steaming and the color a little bit, it is quite already bright, but not that much bright. And after steaming, and then the color will pump out, yeah. And then you will see the vibrant colors. And also here, now it is still wet, so I cannot touch it. So that's why we ask you just once you put it out a little bit careful and slow and gentle, and to ensure that it will not bounce back. Otherwise, the ink, when it is still wet, it is easy to fly out after the bouncing process. Yeah. Okay, so this is for the cotton. And yeah, what the second generation of the printer was printing, that was the polyester. So remember what I'm talking about, the polyester process. Yeah, it is very simple, just 2 steps. So what she was doing just now, it was the printing, the first step. Yeah, the second step will be sending this sock to the oven here. You see the oven? It is the conveyor system. So bring this every single needle and go inside to the oven. And then once it turns out from the oven, it will be completed. So like this, hanging here, it will go inside to the oven, and once it's coming out, then the color will be pump out. Yeah, so once it's coming out, then the color will be look like, yeah, you see for this gradient color, how nice it looks, right? So once it's coming out after 180 degrees, and then you will get these very vibrant colors already. And also the color fastness, it is 3 to 4 grade. Yeah, so it's okay when you wear it and will not fade out actually. And also once you do some sports, it will be very light and comfortable during your wearing. And you will be very unique in the gym. Okay, so this is the oven. Needs to cooperate together with the printer for the polyester sock. Yeah, this is the polyester one. You see, these are the polyester sock as well, and they're going to be heated. So later we will send it to the oven. And let me show you how the oven looks like from the other side. Yeah, here it is. So behind me, it is the oven. It is the oven for the polyester sock using. So it is just a small one, and requested with the industrial electricity with 3 phases, 380 voltage or 240 voltage. Yeah. So this the power in total it's like 18 kilowatts. 18 kilowatts. So it can dry the sock more than 2,000 to 3,000 per day. Per day. Yes. So this is the whole outlook. And don't forget, once you are using the oven, you need the exhausted fan. Yeah. Here, the exhausted fan. This fan to get rid of this film during heating, or this kind of the industrial exhausted fan, also workable. So you can just set it up according to your detailed condition. Okay. So just now, yeah, oh, it's quite busy. It's quite busy here. Okay. And what we saw just now, yeah, this is the polyester sock. So let's see the miracle, how it happens, the miracle. So before it is going inside of the oven, the high temperature, the color is like this, gray, right? It's gray. It's just nothing special. Then that's honey here. So go inside of this oven. And we will see how the miracle becomes and how color changed.这个中午的时候，这个样品8个图，每个图再打1双就够了。So once the polyester sock is finished printing, it needs to be sent to the oven, and it will go one by one heating. Yeah, so after heating, let's see what color it is. Now you see the right side is coming out with the ready dried sock. Let's see how it looks. So it looks quite different, right? It's quite different from what we saw just now. Yeah. So you see how deep of this color, of the ground color changed, and how bright of this yellow color, and also with all details, vegetables inside. So what is it? What is it? You like it? Yeah, I like it very much. The taco tastes good, right? And then we print it to the sock. Yeah. So this is the advantage for the seamless digital printer, that you can print any items with your idea, with any creative idea, then let it become true. So with taco, you can just get it and compare. Yeah, compare with the unheated one. So compare with the unheated one. You see how the color changed, right? And also with very thin line, it is it is sharp and fine, right? Yeah. So this is the advantage of the seamless digital printing item. So any idea, any creative thought, you just make the pattern and get the proper measurement in the Photoshop, and then, rip the file and get our printer to print it out. Then you will get what you want. So any idea, any design, any color, it is no MOQ, no color limitation, and even there's no applications limit. So sleeve covers, socks, and headband, the wristband, and the buff scarves, the beanies, the yoga soup, yoga top, everything. Only if it is the knitted tubular items, our printer is suitable for you. Here is Tina, and what you're watching now is the live from Colorido. So welcome everyone to follow our YouTube channel and subscribe us, and you will see us every week, twice a week for the live broadcast. We will be here every week. And if you get our printer, and you will have us all the time at the back side of you to support you. Okay, so if there is any question after hearing this introduction and who we are, what we do, and how these printers work, and what's the difference of the polyester and cotton socks, the process and the different ink, and what is the process of the printing. So how you wrap the roller, and why you wrap it, and what's the function of the paper, and how you load up the sock, and what's the tips of the loading socks. So how you just put it out, and once you put it out, what's kind of the things you might be avoided. So with all these kind of the tips and the suggestions and the method, and we will share you during our live. And if you wanted to hear more about it, or what you wanted to learn more, and you can also consult us, you can just visit our website, www.coloridotech.com. You can get our email consulting us, and we are here always waiting for you. Okay, any question? Okay, so if no question, and we're almost here, and we will meet you next week. So next week, when the Tuesday and American time, West American time will, and also the Thursday. So see you next time. Goodbye for now.